Hey, beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll try my best to help you fix the crashing in Roblox. So, when you open Roblox and it's crashing, and you have some launching issues, this is the video for you. I'll try my best to help you. I'm going to show you what I've tested myself and it worked for me, and there's a chance it's going to work for you as well. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, and also subscribe for more tutorials and like this video. I really appreciate that. Will really help a lot. And now let's jump right to the video. So the first method that worked for me is what you have to do is to right here graphics settings, click on that, and then what you can do is to click on change default graphics settings, and you need to enable both of this feature: hardware accelerator, GPU scheduling, and optimization for Windows games. And also go to game mode, and for some people, if they turn off game mode, the games will start crashing, and on the other side, for some people, if they turn this on, will actually will just yield better results. So make sure you try both of this, and also go to the game Roblox and click on properties, and also you can try to run the game in the game as administrator, and also you can check this or just run this program as administrator. If that didn't work, you can also check run this program compatibility mode and change DPI, and check that box as well. Click on OK and apply. And also you can try to reinstall the game. So also, guys, make sure you head over to roblox.com, and then just if you join a game like a server, I don't know what it's called, just a game in Roblox, you should wait, and then you should see download and install Roblox. And make sure you reinstall Roblox. You also can go with control panel, and here we have to uninstall the game. You just have to relog in the game. I don't think that's a problem for you. And then just locate Roblox, and then right click on Roblox, click on uninstall. So we can uninstall Roblox. You can still uninstall here, and then just reinstall Roblox. Some people said this worked from them, but for me, I just enabled that feature I told you about, and that solved the problem for me. But excuse me, if that didn't work, you can also head over to command prompt and run command prompt as administrator, and make sure here you type this command right over here, this command right here, and then we have a verification of our system, and this will verify if there's any complication, any file missing in our system, within our system. So make sure you run this, and then just restart your computer, and Roblox should work just fine. I really hope, guys, this video helped you so you can enjoy the game and have some fun with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.